Yeah, hi Phil, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, just to let you know that I've done one of them lasers for you. I pulled out a better one for you with a less wear. Okay, so basically on inspection on this one, the laser was dead. It's a little bit clogged up, nothing mega. It's obviously they're obviously come out of players that have been in pubs or clubs. So I've taken it all apart. I've given all the cogs a good clean for you. They're nice and tight as well. Them cogs. They're not, they're not bad cogs or anything. I've changed the laser. I put a brand new laser in there for you. Cleaned your board and everything. Checked the micro switch. Just giving it a good going over really, and had it on test for quite a while now as well. And everything's working as it should be. So yeah, you've got a 6-month warranty on that, of course. All we ever ask for is the postage money if anything ever goes down within that 6 months, and for 6 months you're covered for the laser that I've put in, and also the labour for the laser. Obviously it doesn't cover other bits because I've not replaced any other bits. But I know you're in a trade, Phil, so I'll always look after you anyway. So, and I know you look after me, so yeah, no worries there. So I'll just fire that up for you, and I'll just turn the music up, and you can have a listen. You should be able to hear that there. Yeah, so hopefully you're happy with that, and we'll do more business. So thanks again, Phil. Really appreciate your business, and you have a great weekend. Cheers, buddy. That's going to go out to you on Monday, okay? So that should be with you for Tuesday. Thanks, buddy.